Hello everyone, good evening. I hope everyone is fine today. So welcome everyone to our free webinar. Good evening everyone. So it's already 7 o'clock. Hello sa ating lahat na nandito sa ating free webinar. I can see your locations. Nakakatuwa kasi we have so many friends na galing sa iba't ibang lugar. We have from Tarlac, we have from UAE, we have from Cagayan, we have from Manila, we have from Rizal. So tuloy-tuloy lang po. Antayin natin ang ating mga kasama. We have from Cavite. Si Ma'am Jeannie is from Surigao del Sur. We have Gems from Itogon Benguet. We also have Joanna Marie from Daet. I think that's Camarines, no? So, Laika from Iligan City. We have Jenny from San Rafael, Bulacan. So, we have Larry also from Antipolo. So, keep your comments down. Sige, tingnan natin kung saan tayo pinakamaraming kasama dito. So, we also have Suzanne from Cavite. We have Nomer from Cebu. We have from Cagayan de Oro. We have Maria Teresa. Tuloy-tuloy lang. So, let's wait for few more minutes para sa ating mga kasamahan. So habang nag-aantay tayo, kindly share this live stream to your friends, to your news feed para naman tayo ay marami ang matuto ngayong gabi. Kahit medyo nakakaantok na ang oras, tayo pa rin ay matuto doon sa ating Canva kung paano gamitin. Basa tayo ng mga comments. We have Demi from Rizal. We have Loon from Taytay, Rizal. We have Sir Romel from Bulacan. Meron tayo si Joberin Jovi from Surigao del Sur. We have Andre from Lucena City. We have Aliyah from Cavite. And Matthew GD from Cavite also. We have Jen from Santa Maria, Bulacan. We have Ismael from Cagayan. Parami na tayo ng parami. Currently, we have 81 viewers. So, thank you everyone for sharing this and for watching this. You have Joyce from Antipolo, Charles from Calamba. Napakadami natin ngayon, iba-ibang lugar. Nakakatuwa naman at napakarami ninyong nag-abang sa ating free webinar. So, this free webinar is brought to you by Canva Camp PH. And also, this free webinar comes with an e-certificate, diba? Nanood ka lang ng webinar, meron ka na kagad e-certificate. Diba? So, nakakatuwa naman. So, we have from Davao de Oro. Si Cheche from Davao de Oro. We have from Makati City, si Uno. We have from Quezon. We have Joshua. Iligan City, Mindanao. We have Anray Links. So habang nanonood tayo dito, kindly share this live stream. And also, sabi ko nga kanina, we will have an e-certificate for everyone who is here on our live stream. Syempre, kailangan mo lang tumutok hanggang sa dulo. Kasi sa dulo, we will have a QR code wherein you can scan and then mag-fill up ka lang nung ating form. Nakalagay doon sa form kung ano yung email mo and also your name kasi doon namin isa-send yung iyong e-certificate. Okay po. So, after this webinar, sa bandang dulo, meron tayong QR code and link. Mag-fill up ka lang ng details para alam naman namin syempre kung ano yung ilalagay mo sa webinar mo or sa certificate mo, di ba? From this webinar. And then, yung email kung saan namin ipapadala. So, watch out lang until the end of this free webinar para tayo ay magkaroon ng e-certificate. So, we have Eduardo from Tarlac. We have Jaina Rose from Calawag, Quezon. We have Janine from Bacolod. We also have Joanny Ayupan Octavio from Iloilo. We have Gracia Ligaya from Albay. We have Chuck Cruz from Cavite. Madami-dami. We have Rodel from Muntinlupa. Aldrin from, I think this is Makati. We have Dioan from Baguio. Meron din tayong taga-Kainta, si Charlie. Then, so madami-dami. Okay, so by the end of this session, may pakikita nyo po yung link for evaluation and the QR code sa dulo pa po. Kasi doon natin makikita kung masusubaybayan nyo ba itong live stream sa dulo. So by the end of this live stream, doon pa lang po kayo pwede mag-scan, pumunta sa link. Ang ilalagay nyo lang po sa link is your name na gustong ilagay sa inyong e-certificate and also your email kung saan namin ipapadala. So wait lang po hanggang dulo. Relax lang. Makinig muna tayo, okay? So I think we are already on 7:05 p.m. We already waited for 5 minutes. Now, while you are listening, you can simply share, you can simply react. Yan, para masaya yung ating discussion for tonight. Okay? So I think we can begin with our lesson, with our discussion for tonight. But before that, meron pa pala tayong konting mga reminders. Yeah, so thank you everyone for attending last month's free webinar, yung ating Maximizing Our Canva free account. So meron tayong webinar last month. Sana nakapanood kayo ng live. Or kung hindi man, nag-upload tayo ng replay nun para mapanood ninyo and para makakuha kayo ng e-certificate. So kung hindi nyo man napanood yun, sana sa mga susunod na webinar kayo ay makasunod at makahabol din. Okay? So, we also have here our Maximizing Our Canva free account next for our last month's webinar. So ito lang yung mga konting numbers na nakuha natin for that webinar. So we have 229 Facebook Live peak viewers during that time. That is July 14. Yan. And then we have 457 YouTube replay. Currently, nasa 500 plus na yung YouTube replay natin. And meron tayong nabigyan na 395 na e-certificates na attendees during that time. So madami-daming number. Sana naman, masustain natin yung ganong number all throughout our free webinars for the month of August. Yeah, so if you want to invite yung mga friends ninyo to come over and like our page para updated sila doon sa ating Facebook free webinar, kindly do it para naman para hindi lang naman kayo, di ba? Para lahat tayo ay updated on our Canva, on how to use our Canva. Okay? So, kung kayo naman ngayon ay nanonood at sa tingin nyo, ang tawag dito, sa tingin nyo ay hindi pa kayo liker at follower, so please like our page and please follow our page. Yan, para updated kayo on our different things dito sa aming Facebook free webinar. Also, you can give us some love over there on our QR code on top. Yan, give us some love because we are doing everything here for free. Yan. So, pwede naman nating, kahit konting amount, okay lang naman sa amin yan. Kahit hindi ganun kalaki. Okay? Now, konting announcement for the following free webinars. Meron po tayong susunod na webinars after this. Yan. Meron din tayong e-certificate for this webinar. Ito ang webinar natin on August 18. We will have a free webinar entitled Hindi Ako Creative, Creating Designs If You're Not That Creative. So yung mga kasama natin diyang naniniwala hindi siya ganun ka-creative sa paggawa ng contents, paggawa ng material, you can attend this free webinar on August 18, same time, 7 p.m. via Facebook Live. Yan, mark nyo na yung calendars nyo. Okay po? Yan. Also, we are launching this August, pero ang start nito is September pa. We will be launching our first paid training for graphic design. So you can go to you can message our page if you want to learn about graphic design or you want to enroll on our Ultimate Graphic Design Ninja course. Hindi lang po Canva ang matututunan dito. You will have your Canva, you will have your Adobe Illustrator, and you will have your Adobe Photoshop on this course. So medyo buo yung ating graphic design, hindi lang siya Canva. So if you want to enroll, if you want to get on our course, kindly message us on our Facebook page. Don't worry, sobrang affordable ng price nito at meron kami mga payment methods para naman hindi ganong nakakalula sa atin yung payment. Kasi medyo mababa lang pero alam naman natin na may budget tayo, di ba? So, yan, you can enroll on our Ultimate Graphic Design Ninja course. If you don't want to enroll but you still want to involve yourself on our course, pwede naman tayong magkaroon ng Yeah, referral. So, we are offering referral to our Facebook likers and Facebook followers. So, every enrolled referral, kunyari, kaibigan mo, kasama mo sa trabaho, nag-enroll dito sa ating Ultimate Graphic Design Ninja course, bibigyan ka namin ng 50 pesos. Basta successful na makapag-enroll. So, if you are hoping to have passive income, kasi yun naman yung topic natin for tonight pwede natin gawing passive income ito. So, yung kaibigan mo, gusto niya, or yung kapatid mo, yan, kung gusto niya mag-enroll, pwede po tayo mag-refer. Yan, so ang gagawin niyo lang kapag nag-enroll yan, syempre yung referral nyo, sasabihin yung pangalan ninyo, and then, bibigyan namin kayo ng instant 50 pesos for every successful enrolled referral. Yan, di ba? So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? If you have friends, if you want to enroll, pwede naman po kayo dito. The classes will start on September. Okay po? Yan. Okay. So, I think with all that announcements, I think we can begin with our free webinar. Sige nga, can you give us a heart react dyan sa inyong Facebook live ngayon? Kung gusto nyong, let's start this one. Sige nga, heart react tayo everyone. Yan. Okay. Now, if you want to enroll nga pala, balik tayo doon kasi may nagtanong sa comments. If you want to enroll, kindly message us and we will instantly reply on your messages. Don't worry. Okay? So, kindly, yan, heart react lang tayo if you want to start this one. Siyempre, start na natin to, di ba? Okay. So, our topic for tonight will talk about a Canva-rich Asians or earn passive income using Canva account. Now, Canva-rich Asians is just a play of words for, ewan ko kung familiar kayo with the movie Crazy Rich Asians, di ba? Meron tayong ganung movie somewhere in 2017, 2016, parang ganon. So, ginawa namin, we took it and then we changed the crazy to Canva Rich Asians. Now, this topic will talk about earning passive income using Canva account. Kasi alam naman natin that every one of us has Canva account, whether it's free, whether it's pro, kahit ano pa yan, pero meron tayong Canva accounts, di ba? So, lahat tayo may Canva accounts. Now, ano yung pwede natin gawin if we have those Canva accounts para kahit papano kumita tayo ng pera? So, yun yung pag-uusapan natin for tonight. Ano ba yung way na pwede mong gawin para yung Canva mo ay kahit papano makatulong sa'yo to earn money? Di ba? Kung ikaw ay gumagamit ng free account, later on, pag nagkaroon ka na ng money using your Canva, later on, di ba, baka meron ka ng, alam mo yun, meron ka ng pang pro account, di ba? Meron ka ng pambayad sa pro account mo. So, yun yung goal natin. Now, let's define first what is a passive income. Ano ba yung tinatawag na passive income? So, pag sinabi natin passive income, this is an income that requires minimal effort to obtain. Okay? Pag sinabing passive income, hindi ibig sabihin nun, wala kang effort na ibibigay. Meron pa rin. Pero, your effort is usually in the start, in the beginning. Then, kapag nagkaroon ka na ng effort, all throughout, continuous na dumadaloy yung earning. Pero, hindi ibig sabihin, wala kang effort at all. Minimal lang. Pero, pagkatapos mo mag-effort, hopefully, tuloy-tuloy yung pasok ng pera. Kaya siya tinawag na passive income. Now, there are some examples of passive income. Ano ba yung mga kalimitan nating alam na passive income sources? Diba? So, una, ito alam na alam ninyo. Some of us can consider passive income yung mga apartment. Diba? Yung mga apartment natin, ito, basta merong tumira doon sa apartment mo, ewan ko kung anong price na ng apartment ngayon. 3.5, 5K, 10K, 15K, depende siguro kung saan yung location. Pero, yung mga apartment natin, as long as may nakatira dyan, every month, may magbabayad sa'yo ng pera. 'Di ba? As long as nakatira siya dyan. So, kung sabihin mo meron kang apartment with, sabihin natin meron kang 5K na apartment, per month, and then meron kang 4 na pinto, that is instantly 20K. 'Di ba? 20K agad yon per month ng walang kahirap-hirap. Ibig sabihin, nag-aantay ka lang, every month may pumapasok sa pera. Yun yung tinatawag nating passive income. Pero, always remember that bago sila nagkaroon ng apartment, syempre nag-ipon muna yan. Pwedeng nag-abroad, pwedeng sa trabaho, pwedeng nag-loan, di ba? Nandun pa rin yung effort para matayo yung inyong apartment. Pero after your effort, tuloy-tuloy na yung pasok ng pera. Yun yung tinatawag nating passive income. Another example of passive income is a taxi or a Grab, 'di ba? Sa Grab, kapag meron kang kotse and then pinabiyahe mo 'yon sa iyong kamag-anak, pinabiyahe mo 'yon sa iyong kapatid, sa magulang, okay? So pwede siyang kumita up to 20,000 per month, up to 30,000 per month, tuloy-tuloy yung biyahe. Okay? Pwede namang hindi ikaw yung mag-drive, 'di ba? So pwedeng tuloy-tuloy yung biyahe ng Grab mo as long as yung sasakyan is provided. 'Di ba? Syempre meron siyang gas, meron siyang pang-sweldo, pero kahit papaano may kita ka, 'di ba? Per month or per day. So, hindi naman ibig sabihin na kapag may Grab ka ay wala ka ng effort. Again, the effort is always at the beginning. So, ang effort mo dito, syempre, bibili ka sa sasakyan, mag-iipon ka, huhulugan mo hanggang mapuno, etc. Pero, after that, tuloy-tuloy na yung pwede mong passive income. Another example, siguro yung mga investments natin. Siguro kung meron kang extra money or meron kang naipong pera, pwede mo siyang i-invest on businesses, di ba? Or pwede mo siyang i-invest sa iyong mga kamag-anak or iyong mga kaibigan na may business. Or pwede kang mag-invest sa stock market. So, yan. So, if you have money, pwede mong ipunin. Yung iba ginagawa, yung mga, ewan ko kung familiar kayo with the cooperative. Yan, sa cooperative kasi, basta may pera ka, ipasok mo sa co-op. Yung co-op kasi, usually may mga businesses, papalaguin yung pera. Okay? Or yung iba naman, pinapasok siya sa Pag-ibig, yung MP2, yung saving siya, pero the more na may naglo-loan, nadadagdagan yung interest. So yun yung mga investment na pwede. Yung iba, bangko, yan, pinapatubo sa bangko, yan, pwede yan. Ang tawag doon is passive income. Wherein, minimal effort, then sunod-sunod, pwede kang maka-earn without having too much effort. Okay? Now, for today, we will have Canva. Ano ba yung pwede kong magawin sa Canva account ko para kahit papano magkaroon ako ng tinatawag na passive income? I will just do the effort once and then after that, pwede na akong kumita ng malaki. Di ba? So, meron ako ditong 3 examples kung paano mo pwedeng gamitin yung Canva mo for your passive income. Okay? First is what we call print on demand. Okay? So, when you say print on demand, ito yung tipong website na kung saan magsasubmit ka lang ng design, i-upload mo lang yung design mo doon sa website na yon, and then, kapag merong umorder doon sa design mo, for example, nag-design ka ng t-shirt, and then may umorder nung t-shirt na dinesign mo, ang pwede mong gawin is, you will just wait for them dun sa kita na ibibigay nila sa'yo. Kasi ang nangyayari po pag print on demand, may design ka, kunyari ako si customer, bibilin ko yung design mo, ang gagawin ng company, kukunin yung design mo, sila magpiprint, sila tatanggap ng bayad, and then sila yung magdi-deliver doon sa iyong customer. And then, ikaw na nag-design nung iyong t-shirt, ang gagawin nila, yung bayad, kukuha lang sila ng porsyento doon, and then, ibibigay sa'yo. So, you don't need to have knowledge sa pagpiprint. Hindi mo kailangang mag-aral ng printing. Hindi mo kailangan problemahin yung pagde-deliver. Sila na yung nagde-deliver at sila na yung nagpiprint. Yun yung tinatawag nating print on demand. Ang trabaho mo lang is to design, siguro to market your design para may bumili, di ba? And then, mag-aantay ka lang nung return or nung sales mo. Okay? One good example is this website called redbubble.com. So, sa redbubble.com, ang pinakamabenta nilang produkto up to date is t-shirts and stickers. Diba? So, napakadaling maggawa ng stickers sa Canva. Diba? Meron kang overall design, pwede kang maggawa ng stickers or t-shirt. Diba? Uso ngayon yung mga statement shirts. Diba? Kunyari, di bali ng tamad, di naman pagod. O, di ba? May mga ganung nauuso. Yung mga spoofs. Di ba? So, yan yung mga pinakamabenta sa redbubble.com. So, puntahan natin yung redbubble.com for you to notice kung ano yung pinagkaiba nila. So, we have here our redbubble.com. Yan. So, ang gagawin mo lang dito, you just have to sign up, log in, and then may makikita ka dito sa taas na sell your design. Try natin mag-search kung ano yung mga patok na t-shirt dito sa redbubble.com. So again, redbubble.com is a print on demand. So ang gagawin nila, ang ganda nga dito kasi may mock-up na eh. So ang gagawin nila, kukuha sila ng design mo, ipiprint nila, i-deliver nila, and then you will just wait for your earnings. So nagre-range dito ng $15 to $20. So don't worry kung nasa Pilipinas ka, hindi naman sila mahigpit pagdating sa mga sa location. Siguro ang number one na kailangan lang dito is ang kailangan nila is a PayPal account, pero hindi naman ganun kahirap gumawa ng PayPal account kasi doon nila ihuhulog yung iyong payment, yung payment sa'yo, doon nila ihuhulog. So as you can see, yung mga designs natin dito is more on statement, more on characters, more on drawings. Okay? So, pwede tayo dyang kumita by having ito statement shirt nga. In my defense, I was left unsupervised. And then ito mga drawings. Isa sa mga pinakabawal lang pagdating sa Redbubble is selling items na copyrighted. Ano yung mga copyrighted? Like, kunyari, fan ka ng One Piece, hindi ka pwede magbenta dyan ng One Piece items. Kasi, madedetect nila and pwede nilang i-down yung iyong drawing or yung account. Syempre, yung mga Marvel characters, yung mga sikat na characters like Mickey Mouse, hindi pwede dyan. So, mas maganda, you create your own drawing, you create your own design, and then, tsaka mo siya ilagay dyan. Pag meron siyang kaparehas na trademark or copyright, ida-down nila yung design mo. Possible na hindi nila i-approve. Okay? So, paano ba natin yun gagawin on Canva? Paano ba tayo magde-design ng t-shirt sa Canva natin? Yeah, for example, you have here your Canva account. Meron tayo ditong Canva account dyan. Paano natin siya pwedeng designan? So, on your Canva account, you can create design and then you can simply type t-shirt. So, meron tayo ditong template for t-shirt. Yeah, so ipapakita niya sa'yo is a big square design of t-shirt and then pwede natin siyang designan doon. Okay? Sige, try tayong gawa ng simple design. Meron na siya dito mga template. Siyempre, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin itong template na to. Baka makita ng creator sa Canva and then pagalitan tayo. So, siguro gawa na lang tayo ng sarili nating design. For example, let's have a simple, ito na lang. Pwede naman siguro gamitin to. Okay. So, as you can see, I can turn my background black. Pero, dapat pagdating ko mamaya, pag sinave ko na to, dapat tanggalin ko yung background para kahit papano, hindi naman siya pangit tingnan. Okay? So, I can simply change the color to red. Yan. Palitan ko lang yung kulay sa red para mas maganda siya tingnan. Okay. Siguro lagay natin ditong Canva. Bakasan natin. Gawin natin siyang 120. Canva. Then ito, gawin natin rich. Then ito, gawin natin Asia. Because that's the title of our webinar. Yun na lang gamitin natin. Okay? So, kahit ganyan kasimpleng design, words lang yan. Wala masyadong copyright kapag words eh. Kasi hindi mo naman pwede copyright yan. Wala naman nagmamay-ari niyan. So, kahit ganyan kasimpleng design, pwede natin gawing t-shirt yan. Diba? So, simple words lang. Siguro, ungroup ko lang siya para maayos natin ng konti. Okay. So, just place it at the middle. Canva, then rich, then Asia. Then, pwede natin ayusin siguro yung kanyang spacing para kahit papano maganda siya tingnan. Okay, so we have here Asia. Yeah. Okay. So, for example, we have this design. Ang gawin lang natin is we save this on our desktop or our downloads. So, pwede nating i-save yan. So, share. Then, just go to downloads. Go to JPEG. Then, pwede natin siyang i-save to maximum. Then, click download. Okay? Yan. So, na-download na. So, ang tanong ngayon, teka, paano natin gagawing t-shirt yan? Canva Rich Asian. Paano natin mabivisualize? So, don't worry. We have mock-ups pagdating kay Canva wherein we can visualize our design instantly. So, punta lang kayo sa apps na tinatawag and then kindly search for mock-ups. Now, don't worry. If you're using free account, pwede tayong gumamit ng mock-ups kahit free yung account natin. So, just remember syempre, spelling natin, MOCKUPS without space. Yan. And then, click mock-ups. So, inside your mock-ups, meron dyang mga sample, yan, apparel. So, click mo lang yung apparel na yan. 'Di ba? So, meron tayo dyang jacket, meron tayo dyang t-shirt. Sample tayo dito sa t-shirt na to. So, lagay lang natin yan dito sa t-shirt. Okay. So, we have here our t-shirt design. Yan. And then, kapag meron ka ng design dyan, teka, iisipin ko kung gusto ko siya i-save without background para maganda siya tingnan. Siguro without background na lang. So, I will just save it this again. Download PNG, transparent background. Lakihan ko. Yan. Dinownload ko lang siya guys ng PNG without the background para maganda siya tingnan. Okay. So, from there, I can simply upload it. Upload the file. Then, look for the downloads. Okay, not this one. Ito. Oh, where is it? Ulitin natin, baka nawawala yung downloads ko. Let's simply download this. Yan. Okay. Okay. Here. Okay. So, let's upload this again. Sorry for the delay. Ito. So, meron na tayo ditong design. So, as you can see dito, nag-upload na siya. So, yan yung dinesign natin kanina, which is the Canva Rich Asian design. And then, pagbalik natin dito sa ating mock-up, i-drag nyo lang siya over to the top of your mock-up. Yan. So, para makita nyo siya. Okay? Now, Sir King, bakit ganyan? Bakit ganyan yung output? Now, pwede mo namang ibahin itong layout nito. Medyo itaas mo para hindi naman siya ganun ka pangit. Kanyang output. Diba? So, from there, you can visualize your design. So, imagine if your design is this cut. Pag nilagay natin yan dyan. Oh, yan. So, meron ka ng design ng t-shirt. Now, ang gagawin mo na lang is just create an account here on Redbubble and then upload mo yung design mo or sell your design. Okay? So, again, ulitin lang natin. Just make sure that it is not copyrighted. Ano yung mga copyrighted na items? Like, if it is from a sikat na series, sikat na movies, yan, hindi pwede. Mga trademarks, products, hindi pwede. Okay? Pero, pwede nyo i-tweak. Like, yung mga spoofs, pwede yan. Yung kunyari, yung tag viewer, pwede nyo gawing tag hirap, yung ginagawa ng spoofs, pwede yon kasi binago mo yung pinaka-trademark. Okay? So, it's up to you kung paano nyo siya i-maximize. Okay? So, that's the first one. So, you can create stickers and t-shirt on Redbubble, upload your design, and then silang bahala mag-deliver nun sa customer. Second, kung medyo hindi kayo artistic with your design capability, meron tayong second option, which is Etsy. You can sell Etsy products on Etsy.com. Isa tong website wherein pwede ka mag-sell ng iyong mga artworks, pwede ka mag-sell ng iyong mga different items, and then, katulad din ni Redbubble, kung physical item yan, pwedeng i-deliver sa kanila. Pero, as of now, ang Etsy natin is more on digital items. Okay, ano yung digital items? Ibebenta mo sa kanila, ida-download nila, and then sila na bahala mag-print. yung customer na yung bahala mag-print. So, some of the most requested or downloaded items on Etsy is planners and templates. Yan, sikat yan. Lalo na kapag medyo January, pwede tayong mag-create ng planners para ito yung pwede nating i-send dun sa Etsy natin. So, let's take a look on our Etsy kung ano ba itong pwede nating makuha dito. So, inside your Etsy, yan yung pinaka homepage natin. Marami kang pwede ibenta, like posters, like gifts, like printed materials, pwede. Pero let's try to search for planners kung ano yung pinaka sikat na design. Yan. So, some of it are productivity bundle para makatulong dun sa monthly budget. Diba? Ito nga, Excel lang to kalimitan eh. So, kayang-kaya na natin yan. So, ito, yung planner, yung parang nakikita mo sa National Bookstore, pero so pwede mo siya ibenta ng 29 pesos. Teka King, bakit 29 pesos lang yan? It's because this is a digital planner. Ibig sabihin, design lang yung ibebenta mo and then yung customer na yung magpiprint. Kaya 29 pesos lang kasi parang unfair naman sa customer kung kung ibebenta mo siya for 100 pesos, 'di ba? Tapos 'di ba biglang 100 pesos pero ako pa yung magpiprint? Ano yun? 'Di ba? Parang scam yun ah. Okay, so yun yung natin, yun yung iniiwasan. Okay? Okay, so you have digital planners. Wait lang guys ha. Yan, going back guys, sorry for the delay, for the interruption. Okay. Okay, so let's continue. Sabi ko nga kanina, lugi naman sila kung sila pa yung magpiprint tapos sobrang mahal nung benta mo, 'di ba? So, 'yon. So 29 pesos pero imagine kung 100 na katao yung umorder sa iyo ng planner kasi hindi imposible. So, instantly you can have your 'di ba? So, kunyari 29 pesos 'yan, multiply mo sa 100 na katao, you have your 29, 'di ba? So, hindi na masama. So, yun yung tinitingnan natin with Etsy. Now, can we design our planner for Etsy's using Canva? Yes, meron tayong instant na template for our Canva dyan. So, punta lang tayo sa Canva natin. Then, we can search for planner. Yan. Then, pwede ka mag-design dyan ng cover. Pwede ka mag-design ng planner, daily planner, static planner, meal planner, monthly planner. So, maraming uri ng planner, di ba? So, let's try our daily planner. Okay. Yan. So, dito sa templates, makakuha ka na kagad ng idea kung paano yung gusto mong gawin when it comes to your daily planner. So, pwede ka na agad maghanap dyan ng items na inspiration. Okay? Pero, pwede rin na you create your own para naman hindi ka magkaroon ng issue pagdating ng araw. So, if you can search for yan. So, you can create your own calendar also. So, meron tayo dito mga items like that. Then, you create your design. So, kunyari ito. Yan. Then, let's have our okay. So, let's have our text. Sabihin natin, let's have it daily planner 2024. Sabihin natin yun yung gusto mong i-create eh. 2024. Pwede nating ayusin yung color para mag-match siya. Okay. Daily Planner 2024. Siyempre, pwede nyo pa itong i-enhance. Siyempre, yung ginagawa natin ngayon is just a sample kung paano natin siya pwedeng gawin. Okay? Yan. So, pwede tayo siguro mag-search ng 2024 January calendar. Yan. So, using this one, dahil meron na tayong January calendar, siguro yung walang, eto wala. Okay? So, pwede mo ngayon yan i-copy. copy image, and then punta ka doon sa planner mo, then lagay mo siya dito. Yan. So, you have your 2024 calendar. Then, lagyan mo na lang siya ng mga konting design. Like, if you want it pink, medyo pangit yung pink, no? Siguro lighter na lang na pink. Yan. Then, lagyan mo ng konting mga design. Siguro ito, pwede ko itong ilagay dito. Then, I can simply rotate it. And lagay ko sa taas. So, pwedeng ganyan. Or, if you want, siguro flower theme na design, pwede din. So, pwede ka maglagay dito ng konting mga flowers, okay? Yan. So, pwede mo dyan ilagay. Ibahin lang natin yung color. Then, siguro lagyan tayo ng border. Flower border. Ito. Okay, so we have here. Ganyan siya i-send sa likod. Yeah. So, syempre, ano lang to, baka sabihin nyo, ang pangit naman yung design. Sorry na. Okay. Pero ano lang to, sample lang naman kasi to. So, ano yung mga pwede mong gawin? So, yan. Diba? Tapos pwede mo tong i-put on top. Lagay tayo ng effects. Lagay na yan ng, siguro outline. Then, let's have a white outline. January 2024. Then, yeah. So, pwedeng ganyan yung design. Then, i-duplicate mo na lang. Hanap ka nung February, etc. And then, pwede mo siyang i-upload sa Etsy. So, you need an account here. Basta pag may account ka, you can create your store. Then, pag na-create mo yung store mo, pwede ka na ngayon mag-upload ng mga design. Now, I think the requirements of Etsy is just simply, you just need to have a PayPal again or account na US-based. I'm not sure with the US-based, pero PayPal yung alam ko na kailangan. And also, may cut si Etsy per upload na parang maliit lang naman yung amount, pero meron siyang cut dyan na konti. Siyempre, kailangan niya rin kumita, so yun yung ginagawa ni Etsy. Okay? So far, ano nga yung dalawang items na na-discuss na natin? Can you put it on our comment section? Yan. So don't worry guys, after this webinar, meron tayong QR code again, meron tayong registration for your certificate. Okay? So don't worry about your certificate, manood lang tayo sa dulo, meron tayo dong pagkakataon to have our certificate. Sige nga, ano yung dalawa na nating items na pwedeng gawin for passive income? Can you put it under comments? Tingnan natin kung meron na makakasagot. Okay? So we have, so yung iba, inaalam pa. Okay, so ano yung mga pwede natin gawin on our end? Stickers and t-shirt planners, yan. So sa ang website, we have print on design or print on demand using Redbubble, and then we have Etsy products using Etsy.com. Yan, very good yung mga kumukomment dyan, ha? Very good. Okay. Now, let's go to the next product. So, ano ba yung susunod na pwede natin gawin on our Canva account? So, we have here our Etsy.com. Lastly, we can create our own ebooks. Okay, so ebooks is one of the rising type of digital products ngayon. Bakit? Kasi, alam naman natin na lahat tayo ay merong specialty. 'Di ba? Lahat tayo ay merong kakayahan at merong alam, 'di ba? At itong mga alam na to, pwede natin tong pagkakitaan. Okay, pwede natin pagkakitaan tong mga alam natin para kahit papaano we compile it using an ebook and then pwede natin siyang ibenta. So, pag sinabing ebook, hindi naman kailangan 300 pages eh. Hindi naman kailangan 200 pages. Kahit simple 50 pages ebook, that's good. 'Di ba? Kahit simple 30 pages book, that's okay. So, yun yung kagandahan with our ebooks. Now, with our ebooks, we can have two options also. We can create children's book and we can create self-help books. Ano yung mga self-help books? Ito yung parang paano mo matutulungan ng ibang tao to have a budget, lalo na kung nanay ka, 'di ba? So kung parent ka, paano ko matutulungan yung ibang tao to budget based on my experience? Kung ikaw naman ay nagtatrabaho, paano ko matutulungan yung ibang tao na maging makahalubilo yung iba, maging okay, maging friendly sa iba. So that's self-help books. And then you have children's books. Children's books, pwedeng simple story, pwedeng simple story like alamat, like yung mga simpleng story natin ng bata, pwedeng ganun. Okay? So those are the two things that selling right now when it comes to ebooks. So we can have it on Amazon.com. Alam niyo na may Amazon.com, di ba? Now, Amazon kasi has a device called Kindle, Kindle, wherein it is a tablet na para lang sa mga ebooks. Kung saan yung mga customers, they bought or they buy yung mga ebooks na to, and then doon nila binabasa sa tablet na yun called Kindle. So we can use Amazon.com para puntahan or para makita yung mga ebooks available. So let's go to Amazon.com, and then makikita mo dito, sinearch ko na yung ebooks kids. And then makikita mo may mga ebooks dyan, like this one, Simple Mermaid. Then meron siyang Wiggly the Worm, Funny Jokes for Kids, Bedtime Stories, etc. Ito, Kindness is My Superpowers, and then $11, di ba? So ina-upload lang nila yan with Amazon, and then kumikita na ng pera itong mga ebooks na to. So, pwede ba tayong gumawa niyang ebooks na yan using our Canva account? Yes po, pwede. So, if you go to your Canva homepage, you just search for ebook. Diba? Ebook cover or ebooks. Okay, pwede na ebook cover kasi pwede mo na i-duplicate yan. Okay? So, for example, you have here your ebook. Yan, may mga sample tayo dyan. Pero, pwede mong gamitin si Canva to have your design. So, kunwari, ang naisip mong topic or kwento dun sa ebook mo is about ninja. So, pwede mong search yung ninja. Diba? Don't worry with the graphics kasi kay Canva, pwede mo naman siyang gamitin. Okay? So, kunyari, ito yung ninja na gagamitin mo. Ito yung ginamit ko dun sa ads na, or dun sa course natin. Yan. So, ninja. Then, gawin natin siyang search lang tayo dito ng Chinese temple. Nating ito. Yan, maganda to eh. Okay? Chinese temple na yan. Then, gawin natin siyang parang ano lang, sabihin natin yung transparency niya, gawin natin medyo mababa. Let's send it below. Yan. Okay? Then, sabihin natin itong background natin, gawin natin itim or sabit black. Yan, di ba? So, angas agad ng dating. Then, we can have it, the title for example is Ninja Kid. Di ba? So, let's have it on font 56. Place it on a different font. Yan. So, konti na lang guys if you're waiting for the announcement or the QR code for our e-cert. So, antay-antay lang ng konti. Manood muna tayo. Okay? So, we have our Ninja Kid here. Yan. Then, sabihin natin, lagyan natin siya ng effect. Outline. Lagyan natin red. Okay. Yan. O, diba? So, pwede mo na siyang gawing ebook. Then, syempre, lagyan mo ng title or ng pangalan mo. Created by K. Diba? Okay. So, yan. Pwede na siyang ebook na ganyan. Pwede mo nang ibenta. Now, kung nagtataka ka, bakit, pwede ba ako kumuha pa nung mga image na ganito? Baka kasi isa lang to eh. So, pwede ka naman kumuha ng image na yan. If you try to search again for ninja, yan. And then, nakita mo yung result, like this one, meron kang makikita dyan, just click see all, then click mo lang to, then may makikita kang magic recommendation. So, click mo lang yung see all dun sa magic recommendation ni Canva, makikita mo na yung mga items with similar design. So, yan, may mga, may mga animals pa nga. Okay? So, yan. So, pwede mo na siyang gamitin. Dagdagan mo lang ng page, i-develop mo lang yung kwento mo, then pwede mo na siyang gamitin, i-upload mo with Amazon.com. Diba? So, pwede yan. So, we have 3 already. Pagdating sa ating, yan. So, pagdating sa ating paggawa ng, ng ating mga passive income using Canva account. So, you have print on demand, di ba? Pwedeng t-shirt, pwedeng sticker. Saan tayo pupunta? Redbubble.com lang. Then you can have Etsy products. Etsy, not Etsy. Ano yun eh? Girl group yun sa Korea. Etsy products. Yan. So, punta ka lang sa Etsy.com. Then, you can upload your templates, PowerPoint templates, Excel templates, or you can have your planners. Diba? Natataon, bare months na. Kakanta na ulit si Jose Marichan. Diba? So, malalapit na ulit magpasko. So, pwede na tayong gumawa ng mga templates. And lastly, we can create our ebooks and upload it on Amazon.com. Ang pinakasikat ngayon is children's books and self-help books. Diba? So, the question is, what do you want to start for your passive income? Gusto mo ba nung planner? Gusto mo ba nung ebook? Kasi medyo expert ka na to this type of topic. Or gusto mo t-shirt? Kasi medyo artistic ka with your design. So, it's up to you guys kung paano mo sisimulan or ano ang gusto mong simulan. Pero lahat ng ito, rest assured, is pwede mong gamitin para kumita ka ng pera. Okay? Now, for some announcement, yan. So, meron lang tayong questions. Okay. Free po ba mag-sell with Amazons? Yes po, free mag-sell with Amazon. Siyempre, we have some cut lang pagdating kay Amazon, pero hindi naman ganun kalaki. Okay? Now, may limitations po sa image na pwedeng incorporate from Canva when creating ebooks, sabi ni Kay. The answer is, yung limitations is that kapag meron kang Canva account, as long as yung seller or yung creator nung image na yon is in-upload niya sa Canva yon, automatic, you have the right to use those items. Kasi parang binigyan niyang pahintulot si Canva na ipagamit yun sa lahat. Okay? So, as long as sa Canva mo siya kinuha, hindi sa Google, pwede mo siyang gamitin. May payment po ba if mag-sell sa Amazon? Now, payment wala, pero meron lang siyang cut. Okay? Meron lang siyang portion. For example, if you price it on $11, meron lang cut dun si Amazon kung magkano yung sa kanya. Okay? And then, syempre, you need some, alam ko kay Amazon, kailangan mo ng debit or credit card para dun niya ilalagay yung mga, or dun niya babawasan. Kapag wala ka pang benta, dun niya muna babawasan. Pero alam ko, kailangan mo rin ng PayPal account. Okay? Yan. Okay po? Questions pa. Sige, I'll entertain more questions from our comments. Sige, comment kayo kung ano yung questions ninyo. Let's try to answer. Yan. Sabi ni JC, paano po mag-sell sa Amazon? You just need to have an account. And then, if you created an account, meron sila kasing sellers portion. So, makikita mo doon, meron kang seller login. Alam mo yung parang parang siya sa Shopee, may seller login siya, bukod yung itsura ng seller login, then dun ka pwede mag-upload. Now, kapag nag-upload ka with Amazon, meron lang siyang days wherein i-review niya yung mga i-upload mo. Okay? Kalimitan niya na up to 1 month yung review. Siyempre, to check if your contents or your your product is okay. 'Di ba? Yan. Sige, other questions, sige, habang nag-aantay pa tayo. Yan. Bago tayo magpakita yung sa ating e-certificate. Okay. What if I'm using free Canva lang? Pwede po ba siya for Etsy and ebook? Yes, pwede po. Pwede po pag naka-free ka. As long as yung ginamit ay nasa loob ng Canva, pwede mo pong gamitin yon. Okay? Pero, ang tip ko sa inyo is mas okay kung sarili mong design. Bakit? Kasi, kapag sarili mong design, later on, kapag tinanggal sa Canva, baka magkaroon ka ng problem. Pero, as long as nandyan yan sa Canva, it is free, it is pro, pwede mo siyang gamitin. Yan, ang ganda ng tanong ni Sir JC. Sabi ni Sir, ayoko Sir sorry Sir or Ma'am. Sabi ni JC, kailan po ang susunod na webinar? Yan. So, kailan po ang susunod na webinar? So, if you're asking for the next webinar, ito po ang sagot. On August 18, we will have the next webinar which is entitled Hindi Ako Creative, Creating Designs If You're Not That Creative. Alam ko marami nangangailangan sa atin yan, di ba? Sige nga, like sign kayo kung kailangan nyo itong webinar na to. So, itong webinar to will talk about paano tayo makakapag-create ng design kahit hindi tayo ganun ka-creative as a person. Di ba? Malaking problema ng lahat yan eh. So, paano tayo magkakaroon ng creativity at paano magiging maganda yung design natin. Yan. Give you a react kung sa tingin mo kailangan ko tong webinar na to. Ayan. Yan, may nagsabi si Bam, super like, di ba? Marami, ako din super like ko to kasi kailangan ko to. Yan. Okay. So, yan yung susunod nating webinar. Kindly mark it on your calendar. Okay? So, we have August 18, 7 p.m. pa din po. That's a Friday. Yeah, that's a Friday. Again, in Facebook Live. And then, free webinar e-certificate po tayo. Okay? Now, konting reminder lang po. This webinar live stream will be available until tomorrow. So, kung meron kayong kakilala na gustong humabol sa lesson natin, gustong humabol sa mga gusto ng e-certificate. So, this free webinar replay, the replay later will be available until tomorrow, and the release of your e-certificate is on Wednesday. Okay, bakit? Kasi po, inaantay natin na matapos yung iba, kasi baka yung iba hindi okay yung internet, baka yung iba ay medyo mabagal yung internet. So, let's just wait for them to watch the replay. Pero rest assured na by Wednesday morning, I will give your e-certificate po. Okay? So, isang araw lang na may antay natin. Kasi I want to give chance to others na walang kakayahan to have our live today or tonight. Kaya bigyan natin sila ng chance manood ng replay. Di ba? So, okay lang naman siguro sa ating lahat yon. So, your e-certificate will be available on Wednesday. Okay po? Morning. Just look at your email by morning and then ipapadala ko po yung inyong e-certificate. Nakakatuwa, may isang nag-message lang before I continue. Sabi ni Jing, yes, very informative po ang webinar niyo. Natutunan ko last time, which is maximizing Canva. Nakita ko po sa paggawa ng nameplate. Nagamit niya daw sa paggawa ng nameplate. Thank you po. So, sana ito rin po magamit din natin itong natutunan natin for this webinar. Okay? Now, before you leave, medyo bumababa yung yung attendance natin. Before you leave, before you say thank you, eto na. Sige, konting reminder. Again, we are offering our Ultimate Graphic Design Ninja course for everyone. If you're interested or you know someone interested for this design, hindi lang po Canva matututunan natin. We have Illustrator and we have Photoshop. And rest assured that after this training or this course, paid course natin, yung portfolio na mabubuo mo will be good for employment. So, kung career shifter ka, if you're a student, you want to learn more about graphic design, you want to make something or career out of a graphic design, pwede po kayo mag-enroll dito. Ang kailangan nyo lang pong gawin to enroll is just message us on Facebook and then we will give you the details. Also, nag-uusapan na rin natin yung passive income. If you refer someone, okay, pag nagkaroon po kayo ng referral sa kakilala nyo, kamag-anak nyo, kapitbahay nyo, you will be given 50 pesos for every successful enrolled referral. Ibig sabihin, kapag nagbayad at naka-enroll na yung inyong ni-refer, meron po kayong portion doon sa kanyang binayad, which is 50 pesos, which is good, di ba? Maka-apat ka, meron kang 200, di ba? So, kung naghahanap ka rin ng passive income at ayaw mo pa itry yung iba, pwede naman itong ating referral. Now, classes here will start on September. So, September tayo. Meron po tayong klase on weekdays, gabi, and then meron po tayong Sabado. So, yeah. So, watch out na lang guys for other announcements. So, if you have someone may kakilala ka, pwede kang mag-refer sa amin, and then if successful enrolled referral, we will give you something. Okay? So if you learn so much today also, you can give us some love there. Meron tayong QR code sa taas wherein you can give us any amount naman. Okay lang naman po kahit ano, as long as bukal sa puso. Okay? Now, ito na ang inaantay ng lahat. Okay, for your e-certificate which will be released on Wednesday, kasabay ng mga replay natin. Share nyo pa rin po ito para doon sa mga replay natin. Okay. So, kindly scan this code and then fill up the details. Importante po dyan yung name and yung email. Okay po? Kasi po, doon po namin ipapadala yung inyong mga e-certificate. So, just go to tinyurl.com, CCPH Canva Rich, or scan the QR code. The release of our e-certificate will be August 9, 2023, morning. Yan. Okay po. Sige, kindly scan this. Yan. So, dun sa mga nagtatanong kung how much, message na lang po kami sa aming Facebook page para naman po mas maayos yung usapan natin. Okay? Also, sige, habang nag-i-scan yung iba, this is an online course also. Don't worry, this is not a recorded course. This is a live course wherein pwede tayo magkaroon ng interaction. Yun kasi maganda sa mga online course na live eh. Pwede kang magtanong, pwede kang mag-clarify. Okay? So, this is a live course. And then, how much, I will just message us na lang on our Facebook page and then sasabihin namin sa inyo. Also, kung meron kayong friends na gustong matuto, August 18, we will have a webinar. Yan. Ang title natin, Hindi Ako Creative, Creating Designs, kahit hindi ka ganun ka-creative. Like nyo lang yung page namin para kahit papaano updated kayo with all of our things on all of our free webinars. Okay po? So, our goal is as much as possible makapag-release ng 2 webinars or 3 webinars per month. Para kahit papaano, 'di ba? Madami kayong matutunan about Canva. Yeah. So, thank you, Alejandro. Share pa rin niyo po itong live stream. Available po ito hanggang tomorrow. And then, para bago yung release ng inyong e-certificate, ay nakapag-register po. Okay? Yan. So, thank you everyone. So, if you're done with your registration, sobrang salamat po sa lahat. Sobrang salamat po sa ating pagdalo dito. I hope you have a good time. I hope you have a nice time on our free webinar. Comment naman kayo kung nag-enjoy kayo para makita namin. Yan, okay? Sige, kung nakapag-register na ang lahat, thank you for attending this free webinar. I hope we see you all again on our free webinar on August 18. So, ingat sa lahat. Have a nice day. Have a good night, everyone. Kain na kayo ng dinner. Okay? I hope you also enjoy this. Thank you, everyone. And then, don't forget to scan para meron kayong e-certificate. Okay? So, thank you, everyone, for listening.